Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're diving into DINO today.
DINO.
A brand new AI model.
Oh, yeah.
That's changing the game in computer vision.
Absolutely.
We're going behind the scenes of a research paper to uncover how DINO is pushing the boundaries of what AI can see.
Right.
And get ready for some serious aha moments.
I think so.
Because this tech is seriously cool.
It is really cool.
It really is.
We're talking about a model that can analyze images in a way similar to how humans do, but with even more power and precision. It's not just about recognizing objects anymore. DINO can understand the relationships between objects, analyze scenes, and even generate descriptions that capture the nuances of what's happening in an image.
So it's like having an AI that can actually get what's going on in a picture.
Yes.
Not just identify the objects in it.
Exactly.
And one of the keys to its smarts is something called prompts.
Right.
Can you tell us more about how those work?
Prompts are like instructions that guide DINO's attention.
Okay.
Think of it like giving the model a mission objective.
Got it.
You can use text prompts.
Okay.
Like find all the dogs in this picture.
Right.
Or even circle a dog in an image. And teach it what to look for.
So it's like giving DINO a visual example to learn from.
Exactly.
Cool.
And the cool thing is that these prompts can also be customized for super specific tasks.
Okay.
This is especially helpful when it comes to identifying more unusual or rare objects.
Okay.
Things that might be difficult to describe with words.
So like if you were trying to train a robot to identify a very specific type of tool it might encounter in a factory.
That's a great example.
Yeah.
Or imagine a self-driving car navigating a construction zone. There might be all sorts of unusual objects that it needs to identify quickly and accurately. DINO's ability to learn from visual prompts makes it much more adaptable to these kinds of real-world challenges.
Now, I was blown away by the sheer size of the data set.
I know, me too.
They used to train this thing.
It's huge.
Over 100 million images.
Yeah.
It's called Grounding 100M, right?
That's right.
Wow.
Training on such a massive and diverse data set is what allows DINO to perform so well in real-world scenarios.
Right.
It's like learning a language. The more words you know, the better you can understand different texts, even ones you've never encountered before.
So all those millions of images are like giving DINO a massive visual vocabulary.
Precisely.
Wow.
And that's what helps it generalize its knowledge to new objects and scenes.
Got it.
It's not just limited to what it's seen during training. It can apply its learning to brand new situations.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Now, the research paper also mentioned two different versions of DINO Pro and Edge.
That's right.
What's the difference between them?
Think of it like choosing between a powerful desktop computer and a sleek Ultrabook.
Got it.
The Pro version is designed for maximum performance and accuracy, capable of handling complex tasks with incredible precision.
So it's the powerhouse option.
Yes.
But probably needs a lot of computing power to run.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's where the Edge version comes in.
Okay.
It's optimized for speed and efficiency.
Right.
Perfect for running on devices with less processing power.
Okay.
Like your phone.
Right.
Or a robot navigating a busy environment.
So it's a trade-off Pro for ultimate power.
Right.
Edge for speed and portability.
Exactly.
But how much of a difference is there in their actual performance?
The researchers measured this using benchmarks.
Okay.
And found some really interesting results.
Yeah.
The Pro version achieves near-perfect accuracy on complex tasks.
Wow.
But the Edge version can process over 20 images per second.
20 images per second.
Yes.
Wow, that's incredible.
It's fast.
Especially if you think about self-driving cars
that
need to make split-second decisions based on what they're seeing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And that kind of speed and efficiency opens up all sorts of possibilities for integrating DINO into our daily lives.
So we've talked about prompts and data sets, Pro and Edge, but there's another aspect of DINO that's even more mind-boggling.
Okay.
And that's its ability to do something called prompt-free object detection.
Prompt-free object detection.
What exactly does that mean?
This is where it gets really fascinating.
Okay.
DINO can actually identify any object in an image without needing any prompts at all.
Wow.
Imagine showing it a picture it's never seen before.
Okay.
It can still figure out what's important in that scene all on its own.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So it's not just recognizing things it's been trained on.
No.
It can understand and identify objects
Yeah.
it's never seen before without any guidance.
That's the incredible part.
Wow.
It's like DINO-X has developed a kind of visual intuition that allows it to analyze a scene and decide what's important all on its own.
That's remarkable.
It is.
It sounds like DINO-X is taking a big leap towards more autonomous AI.
Yeah.
What are the implications of that?
That's a great question.
Sure.
And one that the researchers are exploring further.
Okay.
Prompt-free object detection opens up exciting possibilities for AI applications that require real-time analysis.
Okay.
Or user-friendliness.
Okay, this is blowing my mind a little.
Oh, yeah.
I'm dying to hear more about how this actually works in practice.
Sure.
Are there any specific examples in the research that illustrate this prompt-free ability?
There are.
Okay, great.
In fact, the paper highlights several case studies that showcase just how versatile and capable DINO-X can be in a variety of scenarios.
Let's dive into those case studies in part 2 of the deep dive.
Sounds good. Welcome back to the deep dive.
Thanks.
Before the break, we were about to explore some of the fascinating case studies from the DINO-X research paper. These real-world examples really bring the model's capabilities to life.
I am ready to be wowed.
Okay.
What kind of tasks do they put DINO-X to the test with?
One that really impressed me was the long caption phrase grounding.
The long caption phrase grounding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Imagine giving DINO-X a very detailed description of a scene.
Okay.
Almost like a paragraph of text.
Right.
It can then accurately pinpoint the specific objects mentioned in that description.
That sounds incredibly complex.
It is.
Is there an example of this in the research paper?
Yes.
Okay.
Figure 6 shows a picture with multiple people and objects.
Okay.
And DINO-X is able to locate exactly what the caption is describing, even when the descriptions are quite intricate.
So it's not just matching keywords, it's understanding the relationships between objects.
Exactly.
And the overall context of the scene.
That's exactly it.
Wow.
DINO isn't just recognizing objects in isolation, it's understanding how they relate to each other within a scene.
Yeah.
It's a level of comprehension that could revolutionize how we interact with images and search for information.
I could see that.
Yeah.
What other impressive feats did DINO-X pull off in these case studies?
Another one that highlights its versatility is its ability to generate captions for specific regions within an image.
So instead of captioning the entire image, it can focus on a particular area.
Yeah.
And describe what's happening there.
Precisely.
Okay.
And what's even more impressive is that it can do this for multiple regions within the same image.
Wow.
Providing a much more detailed and nuanced understanding of the scene.
That's fascinating.
Yeah.
Imagine the possibilities for image search or content creation.
Right.
You could ask DINO-X to describe specific details within an image rather than just giving you a general overview.
Exactly.
Wow.
And this dense region captioning, as the researchers call it, is just one example of how DINO-X is pushing the boundaries of image understanding.
Now, I remember seeing a comparison in the paper between DINO-X and its predecessors.
Right.
Grounding DINO 1.5 Pro.
Yeah.
And Grounding DINO 1.6 Pro.
Okay.
How does it stack up?
Figure 11 provides a side-by-side comparison.
Okay.
And the advancements are clear. DINO-X outperforms these previous models in terms of accuracy.
Okay.
Especially when dealing with scenes containing many objects.
So it's building on the foundation of those earlier models?
Yes.
But taking things to a whole new level.
It is.
Wow.
It's a testament to how rapidly the field of computer vision is advancing, and DINO-X is at the forefront of this progress.
This all sounds very impressive.
Yeah.
But let's not forget about DINO-X Edge. We talked earlier about how it's optimized for speed and efficiency. How does it perform in real-world tasks?
Well, the researchers tested DINO-X Edge on industry-standard benchmarks, like COCO and LVIS.
Right.
And it performed exceptionally well. What's remarkable is that it achieves this level of performance while still being incredibly fast.
So it's not sacrificing accuracy for speed?
Not at all.
That's amazing.
DINO-X Edge demonstrates that you can have both high performance and efficiency, which is crucial for real-time applications on devices with limited processing power.
I'm really curious about those real-time applications.
Sure.
Can you give us some specific examples of how DINO-X Edge could be used?
Imagine augmented reality experiences on your phone that can instantly recognize and interact with objects in your surroundings. Or think about robots that can navigate complex environments with speed and precision.
Those are some compelling examples.
They are.
It sounds like DINO Edge has the potential to truly bridge the gap.
I think so.
Between the digital and physical worlds.
Absolutely.
And we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
Right.
As DINO continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge.
Yeah, I agree.
Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We've been on quite a journey.
It has been a journey.
Exploring the amazing world of DINO.
Yeah.
And I'm still reeling from all the groundbreaking capabilities we've uncovered.
Me too.
It's truly a testament to the rapid advancements happening in the field of AI.
Yeah.
And DINO is right at the forefront?
I think so.
Pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible.
Absolutely.
You know, as we've been talking about DINO and its potential, it sparked a thought in my mind that I'd love to get your perspective on.
Sure.
We've talked a lot about the technical achievements, the impressive benchmarks, the potential applications, but what about the bigger picture? What does DINO tell us about the future of AI and its role in our world?
That's a fantastic question, and one that researchers and experts are grappling with as AI continues to evolve at an astonishing pace.
It really is amazing.
DINO, with its remarkable ability to understand and interact with visual information, gives us a glimpse into a future where AI systems are not just tools, but collaborators.
Collaborators.
Yeah.
Wow.
Capable of working alongside humans in increasingly sophisticated ways.
That's an interesting way to think about it. Not just tools, but collaborators.
Yeah.
Can you elaborate on what that collaboration might look like?
Imagine a world where AI can assist doctors in diagnosing medical conditions based on medical images, analyzing scans, and identifying subtle patterns that might be missed by the human eye.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Or think about architects using AI to design buildings
that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also optimized for energy efficiency and sustainability.
Those are some really compelling examples.
I think so.
And it's not just about those specialized fields, right? I can see DINO impacting everyday life as well.
Yeah.
Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you organize your photos, identify plants in your garden, or even assist you in learning a new skill by visually analyzing your technique.
Exactly.
Wow.
The potential applications are truly vast and are only limited by our imagination.
I like that.
As AI systems like DINO become more integrated into our lives, it's important to consider the potential impact on various industries and aspects of society.
You know, one thing that keeps coming back to me as we discuss this is the idea of human-AI partnership. It seems like DINO isn't about replacing humans, but rather augmenting our abilities.
And allowing us to achieve things we never thought possible.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
DINO is a prime example of how AI can enhance human capabilities. Its ability to analyze images, identify patterns, and generate descriptions can be incredibly valuable in fields like education research and creative arts.
I'm particularly intrigued by its potential in creative fields.
Yeah.
Imagine artists using DINO as a tool to explore new visual concepts. Musicians using it to analyze and generate musical compositions. Or writers using it to draw inspiration from images and create vivid descriptions.
It's fascinating to think about how AI could become a creative partner, helping us to push the boundaries of artistic expression. It could open up entirely new avenues for creativity and innovation.
It's both exciting and a little daunting.
I agree.
To think about all the possibilities that DINO represents. And it's clear that this is just the beginning. As this technology continues to evolve, who knows what incredible breakthroughs await us?
That's the beauty of working in a field like this.
I know.
The pace of innovation is relentless.
Really is.
And we're constantly discovering new ways to apply AI to solve real-world problems and unlock human potential.
Well, I think it's safe to say that our deep dive into DINO has left us with more than just a few aha moments.
For sure.
It's given us a glimpse into a future where AI is not just a technology, but a transformative force shaping the way we live, work, and create.
And as with any powerful technology, it comes with responsibilities.
Right.
As AI continues to evolve, we need to engage in thoughtful discussions about its ethical implications.
I agree.
And ensure that its development and deployment align with human values and aspirations.
Absolutely.
The future of AI is a journey we're all on together. And it's crucial to navigate it thoughtfully and responsibly.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the fascinating world of DINO X.
And thank you for being here with us today.
It's been a pleasure exploring this groundbreaking technology with you and our listeners.
Yeah, this was a great conversation.
We hope this deep dive has inspired you to think about the possibilities and potential of AI.
Yes.
And its role in shaping the future.
I think it has. And thanks again to all our listeners for tuning in to the deep dive.